Let's talk installing extruded porcelain tiles like a pro. It takes some finesse, but these tricks will have you grinning at the finish. Remember, embrace the quirks for the wow factor. Number 1, grout joint mastery. This is your secret weapon. Start wide. Most manufacturers recommend a minimum of 3 to 4 millimeters or around 3/16 for easy math. It's non-negotiable. This hides the variations. And if you got a great situation, you can decrease these as you do your layouts. Pro move, be careful with the rigid spacers. Relying on these and not adjusting can get you out of square quickly. Stay within your plumb and level lines, adjust on the fly with some wedges. Trowel up your game. Size matters. Grab a little larger than normal notch trowel for the size of the tile. More mortar means a little bit more adjustment room. Also filling in those bowing cavities in the back. This can keep everything flat and fabulous. Set the expectation. This is the real MVP. Tell clients and remind yourself variations are normal and they add the charm. Got questions on a tile product or technique? Comment below. We read and reply to all. Like and subscribe and ring that bell. You haven't done it, I know. But if you do, you will get the edutainment you want for tile and stone secrets and some DIY wins. The next video right here has your name all over it. You need to watch it. Thanks for watching, and let's tile the world. Yep, that didn't work. Conclusion, we're at the end of montage of visual products like Play-Doh.